Hey, how's it going? We just got back from the Cuyuna Agate Mineral Show, and we got these mystery bags of rocks and gems. Stick around to the end. We'll open those up and show you what we got, and we'll also go through what we picked up at the show and some of the great people we met along the way. Anyway, stick around.
So you bring them back next year with your name on them. And this year's prize for last year's cards is this.
Oh, wow.
But then we also have a drawing over here for
All right. So this is we picked up a Rockhound sticker. My wife, Mrs. Armin Gregg, is a big fan of the rock hounding. So let's pull out of the bag, see what we got. So first thing we did was we picked up this book from Lydon. I just did an interview with him. What a fascinating guy, and he's just a wealth of knowledge about finding Lake Superior agates, or LSAs for those in the know. Picked up a copy of his book and signed copy. Definitely worth a read. I'll post a link down to where you can get a copy of this book down in the description. And yeah, here's an interview we did with Lydon. Wow. So what is this?
So it's a brachiated Lake Superior agate I found in January 5th, central Minnesota. And what's unique about this agate, brachiated agate is very rare. So what happened, it actually formed, then it was in a violent earthquake, and it busted it all up. And then later in time, more silica-rich agate material pumped back up in it the hole and made it all one agate again.
Wow.
And as you see, the banding goes every different direction, and it definitely looks better in the sun.
How much do you think it weighs?
It weighs exactly 20 pounds, 0.05 ounces.
Holy cow, where did you find it?
Out by Collegeville, St. John's area, farm field.
Wow. So how do people find your book?
Actually, through my agate page, Lyndon D. Agate Man Johnson, and you just message me. I just sell it on my own, and you message me and send $20, and I'll mail it to you.
Yeah, I'll post a link. Thanks.
All right.
Appreciate it, Lydon. Yeah, like I said, that was a lot of fun. We also picked up some other stuff. Here, we picked this up. We met the couple that owns Lotto Tumblers. So those are, if you're not a rock tumbler, the Lotto Tumblers are made right here in the United States. He makes them with his own hands. The only thing he does, he sends them out for powder coating, but everything else is assembled and bent. All the metal is bent, and he puts them all together before he ships them out. I'll post a link down below to the Lotto Tumblers, and we're featuring that on the channel here this summer as we do a little bit more rock hounding. But yeah, he gave us this to throw in with the Lotto Tumblers, and we've been using a Lotto Tumbler for what?
I don't know, 5 years?
5 years now, and it's just a mainstay. It's a vibratory tumbler, so if you're impatient, like Mrs. Armin Gregg, and you don't want to do the rotary tumbler like I featured in my ball mill video, I'll post a link up here for that. But you can get a vibratory tumbler that cuts down, 25% of the time you'll get your rocks out. What else do we get? So we picked out some stuff from Agate Nation. We'll put their agatenation.com. We'll put their website down below. And just a great couple. We picked out some rock hounding stickers straight out of the field. An Agate Nation sticker. Picking ain't easy. And of course, my wife picked out the Agate Babe sticker. So yeah, they had a lot of great selection. They have some wonderful things on their website. We'll post a link down so you can take a look at some t-shirts, all kinds of fun stuff if you're a rock hound. Or like my wife, if you're a big rock hound, maybe for Mother's Day next year, you can get them some Agate Nation stuff. Let's see what other rocks. So the kids hit the rock pile. They had a rock pile for picking for the kids.
Let's go, let's go.
And they were able to get some of these unfinished agates. They turned out real nice. We'll have to throw these in the tumbler and see what they look like. And then, of course, they also picked up these in the picking pile. It was fun. They had a lot of activities for kids. It's a nice piece of banded iron.
Mm-hmm.
And we got some more. And again, we'll throw these in the tumbler.
Limonite stained agate.
Limonite stained agate. Yeah, I'm not a big rock person. I'm more for the gold. And then, of course, we also got a couple of these. So we'll throw these in the tumbler. We'll throw them in the lotto and see what they look like when they're all nice and tumbled. We also did some gem sluicing. So here's what we got, or what our little guy got out of the gem sluice.
Spin that wheel. Zoom, zoom. What do we got? 5, 6? That's a 6. Right there, you get a lovely piece of moonstone. Nice.
Whoa!
So of course, there's some seashells in there. Those are always popular. Lots of seashells. Lots of tumbled stones. This looks like maybe a fossilized mussel or something. And of course, we don't like seeing this in the pan, but there's plenty of pyrite specimens. Those are popular. Just a lot of neat little gems.
There's peridot too.
Yeah, some peridot. I don't know what this is. Neat looking. I don't think the lighting in here does it justice.
Oh, here's an LSA.
Lake Superior agate, a small tumbled one. Yeah, so lots of fun stuff in here.
Oh, look at that one.
Ooh, what you got there? Oh, another. That's a pretty one.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of nice banding. So yeah, we picked that up. That was a lot of fun. Jacob, what do you have in your top pocket there?
These are cool rocks, and this is a stone rock.
Moonstone.
Yeah.
You having fun at the rock show?
Yeah.
And Mrs. Armin and Greg also picked up a little assorted bag of this.
There was a gumball machine with the agates.
I don't think I got any video of the gumball machine.
And then I picked up these from the booth.
It's a great rock club, and if you're interested in joining the Cuyuna Rock, Gem, and Mineral Society, I'll post a link down below. I can't explain it, so we'll have them explain it. So what is this? What are you doing?
Well, the Cuyuna Rock, Gem, and Mineral Society originated in the Cuyuna area of Minnesota. That's why we're named Cuyuna. And the Cuyuna area was some of the first mining area for iron ore in Minnesota. And so the club started in Crosby, where we used to meet, and then we moved to Brainerd because it's more centrally located, and we found a place. We're one of the few clubs that actually has a clubhouse with machinery that you can come and work machines and stuff. And I'm talking about rock polishers and saws and all that kind of stuff. So we meet at the Franklin Arts Center once a month.
So what if I'm interested in joining? How do I join?
It's $20 a month, or $20 a year for a family. And the year goes from January to December. And as a member, you get a monthly newsletter emailed to you. We have monthly meetings on the second Saturday of the month, and then you can take part as a member in all of our activities that we do. We also ask that all members help with our show because it's such a big show. This is one of the biggest in the Midwest. So.
Wow, well, that's fantastic. Thank you so much, Joni. Appreciate it.
Yes.
All right, so you stuck around this long. Let's see what's inside the mystery bags. All right, so you picked up this first. It's a $5 mystery bag. We picked it up from Minnesota Rocks, the Pals Agates. I'll post a link down to their stuff down below as well. And let's see what they got us. So it looks like we got one polished specimen in there. The rest of these we'll throw in the lotto tumbler, and we'll tumble these up for a future video.
Bunch of LSAs.
Yeah, nice Lake Superior agates. There's some nice banding there.
One has a little limonite.
A little limonite in there. Some host rock.
What was the number 6?
I thought I saw, and there's a piece of, looks like maybe petrified wood.
Yep.
We picked up. Yeah, so we'll have to pick through these, and you'll see them in a future video when we throw them in the lotto tumbler. Oh, wow.
Oh, they're all labeled.
Wow, Andrew and Chris, they put out a nice gift bag. So this is silver from New Nevada Mine in Chihuahua, Mexico. So we got some silver specimens there.
Oh, selenite.
So this is a selenite crystal. And I think Peter Brown just did a video where he used some larger selenite crystals to make an award. I don't know if you're a follower of his. He's kind of a woodworker that does these amazing oddball projects. Here's some nice polished hematite.
Ooh, I like hematite.
Got a nice, pretty pink seashell.
Oh, you got some petrified wood.
Yeah, here's a nice amethyst.
There's the petrified wood. That looks really cool.
Oh,
It
wow.
looks like firewood.
It does. Wow. That's a neat piece of petrified wood.
Yeah. What does this one say?
Wonder if this
Oh,
one will...
Mariel and Jasper. That's one of my favorites.
Here, take it out of the bag. Let's
Yeah.
see. I wonder if this petrified wood will tumble. There's a piece of Mariel and Jasper.
I think it kind of cracks the petrified wood.
Oh, very, very
This
nice.
has been tumbled.
This is a beryl aquamarine.
Ooh.
Nice white.
Well, it's kind of bluish.
Yeah, it has a bluish
Cute.
tint, and maybe that'll tumble.
Aquamarine is my birthstone.
What's that there?
Ooh, Petoskey stone.
Yeah, so you can find these up in Michigan. It's the official
Yeah.
state rock of Michigan, Petoskey stones. That one might tumble nice.
Yeah.
Bring out some more of the holes. This is chrysocolla. A couple really nice specimens of that.
That's really pretty.
I love you, camera.
But yeah, I think it was a great day. I had a lot of fun. I think Mrs. Armin and Greg had a blast for Mother's Day. She wanted to go to the Cuyuna Agate and
Mineral
Jim and Mineral Show, and it was just a lot of fun. So hope you enjoyed the video. As always,
Thanks for watching.
yeah, thanks for watching.